Long Beach ground. Good evening. Beechcraft Baron 757 Mike Bravo.
Baron 757 Mike Bravo, Long Beach ground.
Yes, sir. We're the main terminal. Request 25 right for closed traffic. Beach Baron with the information.
Baron 7 Mike Bravo, roger, runway 25 right, taxi via Charlie Kilo.
Okay, Charlie Kilo for 25 right, 7 Mike Bravo.
November 7 Mike Bravo, do you have your own London?
We do. It's via farm.
Very good, thank you.
Long Beach Tower, Beach Baron 757 Mike Bravo, holding short of 25 right at Kilo, ready for departure.
Beechcraft 757 Mike Bravo, Long Beach Tower, make right traffic, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, 25 right, clear for takeoff, 757 Mike Bravo. Tower 757 Mike Bravo. We've had a left engine failure, be declaring an emergency. We'll be doing a 45 right and then a 270 back for one of the 7s.
November 7 Mike Bravo, roger, clear to land any runway.
Clear to land any runway, thank you, and you can roll the trucks for 7 Mike Bravo.
November 7 Mike Bravo, roger. How many people on board?
1 soul on board, 2 hours of fuel.
November 7 Mike Bravo, roger.
Tower 7 Mike Bravo. We'll be landing on 7 right.
November 7 Mike Bravo, thank you. Rescue 5, Long Beach ground. Rescue 5, aircraft is on 1.5 mile, 5 runway 7 right, proceed to runway 7 right at Bravo, via Bravo. Rescue 4 in company, roger. Rescue 5, 4 in company, proceed on runway 7 left.
And Tower 7 Mike Bravo, looks like we're okay. We'd like to turn right off here and park on the military ramp, and we need no further assistance. Thanks for your help.
November 7 Mike Bravo, roger, turn right, Foxtrot 2, taxi to the ramp via Foxtrot, and remain district, and see you good day.
All right, thanks for the help. Foxtrot 2, Foxtrot, this frequency. Have a great night for 7 Mike Bravo.
Rescue 4 in company, copy. Rescue 4 in company, driver turn left, runway 34 left. Proceed to the fire station via Juliet. Bravo. Good night. Thank you.